I got 500 likes. I got 500 likes. So we got the Haas, the four-wheel drive DXL. I'm excited for this one. So I'm gonna get straight into it because we've already dealt with Andy's. We know what it does. We know it self-rights. We know it bunny hops.
Dude, the bunny hop is probably the best feature.
Dude, the bunny hop is 1,000% the coolest feature. I don't care if it's this high off the ground. It's awesome, and it's fun, and it's exciting. I hope I bought the green one. I did buy the green one. There it is.
Oh, that's sharp.
There it is. Kind of. I'm still stuck. What did they do? There it is. Four-wheel drive Haas. Four-wheel drive.
All right, now throw it on the ground, see if you can break it.
Okay, now let's go for it. I'm gonna try out some of the original features, I guess. Why do I gotta put it under this?
I know, right?
They just toss it in there. Oh, I need batteries. I forgot I need batteries.
You have some?
I do. I'll be right back.
All right.
Let's put the battery in it and see what this thing can do. We know how to put this in right now. Kept putting it in wrong on Andy's. And everyone let us know. Look how tight that is. That's how wrong we were. That right there is how wrong we were.
It's a nice looking
dude, and it's the cooling fan, like that shows how serious this thing is. Where's the button?
Ooh, it's already kicked on.
Holy crap. Okay.
How better is the clipping system?
Dude, the clip system is the best thing ever.
Yeah,
like
one click.
And we're on, and it holds better, obviously, so hopefully this doesn't break as easy as I do on my Bigfoot and Stampede.
God, the sound is so sick. Yeah, when you get it to smack off the wheelie bar, can you?
And then someone said adjust the wheelie bar.
I was gonna say
it's solid.
Oh yeah, this one you can't adjust.
It's a solid wheelie bar.
But if you can get it to smack and then kick it forward, that's how you really get it to pop. Yeah.
I'm like trying to be like extra careful, I feel like.
Yeah. Oh. All right. Can he bucket?
Someone says hold the set, but nothing happens.
I saw that too.
I didn't do that.
Oh, it did it?
I didn't do that. So it literally, like...
Huh.
So it's trying. It's not working.
You're so close, dude. You're so close.
It wants to so bad. Dude, this thing is so much better than the two-wheel drive Stampede.
Yeah.
I'm not being careful anymore.
Yeah. You did it.
Dude, but now I'm stuck. I can't get out.
You got it. That's the first successful flip over.
I flipped it over.
You did.
Let's go for the backflip.
All right. Oh! You landed it. Did you put a hole in the roof?
That was an accident. That was a complete accident.
Dude, look at the side.
What side?
Yeah, you fixed it.
What side?
Wow.
Oh, this one's out. This one is out. All right. Well, let me try to clean the backflip up.
Oh.
There it is. There's the backflip. Or should I try to hit the new rail?
Ooh, that'd be sick.
Little 50-50 down the new rail?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's make that happen.
Okay, let me jump up. Let me get warmed up. I'll bunny hop the double set.
Try 50 around the new quarter.
That's what I was trying to do right there.
Yes.
Dude, we can just
getting it.
stand right here and do it.
Nice rock to fakie. It's a good bumper.
Huh?
It's a good bumper.
It's a very good bumper. Back in business. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's pretty slick.
Sorry. Alright, I'll go grab the element ramp and we'll try to fit 50 down the little new double set handrail.
Sounds good.
Someone asked me what ramp this was in a previous video, and it's just an element skate ramp, and it's literally perfect for what we do. It works.
Yeah, I wonder if they make these anymore.
All right, I think we're good. 50-50.
You should make a gap. You should pull that ramp way back. Dude, you cleared it by like 10 feet.
Dude, that wasn't even close.
You were going slow too. That's what's crazy.
I bucked it right at the end, but let's see what this does.
Got some torque. Yeah. Nose grind. Little nose bonk.
Well, there's only one thing to do.
What's that? Pull it back more?
A little more.
A little more.
And I gotta try to keep it straight so I actually fit it. But it's all like it's already possible.
Yeah. Oh. Almost a 5-0. Oh. Oh.
Well, 50-50. I got a better one in me.
That was smooth.
I got a better one in me.
Oh.
50-50 coming up. So we got the nose, we got the 50. Clean it up. Right here.
Yeah.
Ow! I made myself over.
dark slid it. Ooh, nice.
Couple more tries, we got this.
Oh yeah? Go up it?
Alright, alright.
Let's see if this one's possible really quick.
Yeah, definitely.
All right.
Kind of. Try another one. That was solid.
I couldn't have done that better. There it is. 50-50 up and 50-50 down the rail. Thank you. For everyone, 500 likes. I appreciate that. I bought the Haas. We got it. I did notice 36% of people that watch my videos are subs. If we could get that number up a little bit, that would be awesome. I would really appreciate it. We're going to come up with some fun things for the Haas. If you see, we have a basketball hoop now. I think you know what I'm thinking. So make sure you stick around, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see. Haas is here to stay for a long time. We'll beat the crap out of him, but he's here to stay as long as humanly possible. So thank you, and we'll see everyone soon.